Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Today I'm here to give a demo session on kids summer class. Before starting the demo, I want to tell you something regarding eVision Academy. eVision is an online academy that is run by Mrs. Asma Sheikh. I hope that most of the people they know about Mrs. Asma Sheikh. She is a lady, the one who is rendering a great service for the community, and she is basically empowering the women, and she's trying her level best to im- to make the women, rather like to make the society, like she's trying to make them empowered to earn and then learn online. So I'm over here, I'm representing eVision Academy, and this course is basically run by eVision Academy, and I'm just tutor over here. My name is Anila, and I'm an English teacher. And today I'm here to give you a demo lesson for kids summer class. If the kids are with us, if the kids they are taking the demo, so please I would request them to turn on their cameras, so the communication will be easier for me. अगर बच्चे क्लास ले रहे हैं तो अपने कैमरास ऑन कर लें, and if the adults are there, then it's not compulsory to turn on the cameras. Okay, okay, let's start it. In this course, inshallah, we learn together. And first of all, I want to discuss with you the objectives of this course. The objectives of the course are that the students, the kids, they will improve their listening skills, because there will be different activities. Listening activities will be there that will help the students to, that will help the kids to improve their listening skill. They will be able to speak English fluently. Inshallah, different activities will be given to them, and they will be able to speak English fluently. Then their vocabulary will be improved, and they will be able to improve their pronunciation as well. They will be able to speak English with correct pronunciation. And along with all these things, they will be also taught moral values. They will learn moral values. लाइक इस कोर्स का पर्पस बेसिकली क्या है, इस किड्स कोर्स को डिज़ाइन किस लिए किया गया है? बेसिकली दिस इज़ अ लैंग्वेज कोर्स जिसका पर्पस ये है कि बच्चों की इंग्लिश इज़ एन इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज नाउ-अ-डेज़, और बच्चों को, बच्चे हों एडल्ट्स हों, इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि उनकी इंग्लिश अच्छी होनी चाहिए। तो इस कोर्स का मकसद ये है कि बच्चों की लिसनिंग इम्प्रूव की जाए। डेफिनेटली जब लिसनिंग बच्चों की अच्छी होती है, देन दे आर एबल टू स्पीक वेल, और एंड दे विल बी एबल टू स्पीक व्हेन दे हैव इनफ विकैबुलरी। जब तक बच्चों के पास विकैबुलरी नहीं होगी, वो बोल नहीं पाएंगे। और अगर विकैबुलरी भी होगी बट दे आर नॉट गुड एट प्रोनाउंसिएशन, तभी उनके लिए देयर विल बी अ प्रॉब्लम। सो लाइक सर्टेन एक्टिविटीज विल बी गिवन इन विच दे विल बी एबल टू speak English with correct pronunciation, inshallah. And apart from these things, they will be also taught moral values, because unfortunately nowadays हमारे बच्चे, like they are lacking in moral values, I must say, due to this social media. Like they don't listen to the elders, and there's many other problems and many challenges for the parents and for the teachers. So the purpose of basically this course is not only to make the students good at English, but also a good human being. So this is basically the purpose of this summer course. So over here, there's an activity. I would request the kids to please listen carefully and then answer me. Okay. I'm going to play this video. You have to listen and then you have to answer. Okay. You may raise your hands. If you want to turn on your cameras, you may. And if you don't want to, you can just raise your hands. Okay. You can just raise your hands to answer. I'm going to play this video, okay? You have to listen carefully and you have to tell me, you have to answer me, okay? I'll ask questions side by side. So let's listen it. You have to listen carefully. What do you hear? You have to identify the sound, okay? You have to identify the sound and you have to answer me, okay? So, kids, what do you hear? Who will answer me?
May I?
Yes, sure, Hadia.
It's the sound of cow.
It's a sound of cow. Very well done. And what we say to the sound of cow? Do you know? Okay, let's learn. No problem. Cow is mooing. Cow is mooing. Somebody is saying that there is no voice. There is. I guess there is some issue at your side. Am I audible to everyone? सबको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes.
So, there is, I guess there is some problem at your side. Okay, let's move on. Now you have to identify the next sound. Okay, kids, what do you hear? Will answer me. What do you hear? I want your active participation, please. Okay, anybody else will tell me the sound? No voice? Somebody with the name of Nasreen, no voice. I guess there's some issue at your side. Please check your speakers. Okay, what do you hear? Who will answer me? Is there any student who will answer me? No? Okay, let me tell you. There is an answer in chat. Yes, please, Asma. What do you hear? You people can answer me in chat as well, if you want to. Better to unmute your mic and answer me, but if you don't want to, in this trial class, you may answer. Definitely, in the regular classes, you have to answer while unmuting your mics, but in this trial class, you may answer me in chat as well.
May I?
Yes, sure, Hadia.
It's the sound of snake.
Sound of?
Snake.
Okay, let's explore it. Oh, it's rain. It's rain. Okay, no problem. We are over here, we are learning. Can you people identify this sound? This is very common. Please participate, all of you. I want your participation in the class. Okay. Who will tell me about this sound?
May I?
Yes, please. The sound of ambulance. Yes, very good. Somebody has answered me in chat. Sabah, 2 to 3 participants, they are saying that there is no voice. I don't know because I guess there is some issue at your side because all other participants, they are listening properly, I guess. Yes, this is the sound of ambulance. Yes, this is the sound of ambulance. Good. Let's listen the next sound.
Chicken.
Hmm. Who will identify this
Chicken.
sound?
Chicken.
Identify this sound? Okay.
Chicken.
Anybody else? Anybody else?
Hen.
The
Ma'am,
sound
chicken.
of hen. Okay. Okay, let's see it. The rooster. Rooster is crowing. So what we call this, say this sound, rooster. Rooster is crowing. Good. Listen this sound carefully. Oh, can you identify this sound? There was cheating as well.
Aeroplane.
Good. It was the sound of aeroplane, airplane. Good. Okay. Airplane, fly by. Airplane is flying. Can you identify this sound?
I can.
Hmm? Can you identify this sound?
Baby.
Hmm. What is baby doing?
Crying.
Yes, child crying, baby crying. Good. Shaista and Hadia, very well done. And Naya also wants to participate. I would appreciate if you people unmute your mic and participate. Yes, baby is crying. Can you identify this sound? Yes, Anaya Fatima, you may unmute your mic and participate. What is dog doing? Dog is. What is dog doing? Dog is. Dog is. Dogs are barking. Yes, dogs are barking. So, kids, have you enjoyed this activity?
Yes.
Okay, I think we should move forward to the next activity. Okay, now you have to tell me about yourself. Okay, you have to introduce yourself because I want to know that who you are. Okay, so what you have to tell me, you don't have to give me a very like a long intro or like this. You don't just have to tell me briefly about your name, about your age, in which class you are studying, your school name, and your hobbies. Okay. So this slide is prepared for your guideline for your help. So it will be easier for you to introduce yourself. So who will introduce himself or herself first? Yes, please. You can easily introduce yourself by looking at the slide because the guideline is given over here. Anaya Fatima, you want to introduce yourself? Peter, you can unmute your mic and you can introduce yourself. Unmute your mic and introduce yourself. Okay, Hadia.
I'm 8 years old. I study in class 3. My school name is Best Way Foundation School, Tatral. My hobbies are my hobby is play,
It's to play.
drawing.
It's okay. Your hobby is drawing. That's very good. Very well done.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Anaya, please introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Anaya. I am 11 years old. I study in class 6. My school name is the Paktur Marif. My hobbies are reading and cycling.
Okay, that's very good. Very well done. Any other student who want to introduce himself or herself? Okay, Hadia Umair has introduced herself in chat. Okay, that's good. Okay. Any other student who wants to introduce himself or herself? Okay, let's move towards the next activity. The race. Do you want to introduce yourself, Pita? It's si- it's
Okay, ma'am.
it's super
My
easy.
name,
Just look at the slide and
my,
introduce yourself.
my name is Duresh Farooq.
Hmm.
My age is 13.
Hmm.
My
Okay.
my cla- my class is 7.
Okay.
My school I read in class 7. My
Okay.
school name is Fauji Foundation School
o-
and College Hyderabad.
Okay.
And my hobby is Rajput.
Your hobby is? What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing cricket and reading.
Okay, that's very good. Very well done, Doris. Okay. I'm very happy to listen about you. Okay. Now we have to move towards the next activity. Okay, this is the introduction. This is already done. Okay, now I have a game. Do you people enjoy playing games? Do you like games?
Yes. Yes.
I know all the kids they love to play games. So over here I have a game for you. Okay. And the name of the game is Nameless Game. Okay. Now you have to raise your hand and you have to answer. This is a super easy game and it is very interesting. Right? Okay. The first one is name. These are the objects and you have to guess. You have to tell me the names of the objects. Okay. Nameless has wings that move. Nameless can fly. Nameless is non-living. Who is who is he or who is it? You have to tell me. You have to tell the name. Nameless has wings that move. Nameless can fly. Nameless is non-living. Okay, I received one answer. Any other student?
Nameless can
You
fly.
have to
Its
tell me
name
the
of
you have to tell me the name of that object. Try to think about it. It has wings that move. It can fly, but it is non-living. Who will guess about it?
nameless.
Okay. I have received one answer by Shaista, and that is correct. It is helicopter. You know, helicopter has wings, helicopter can fly, and it is also non-living. Okay. Now tell me about the next object. Be very attentive. Kids, be very attentive. Nameless has four legs. Nameless can't walk. Nameless is non-living. Nameless has four legs, but it can't walk, and it is also non-living. Think about it and answer me.
Ma'am, car.
Car, okay. But car doesn't ha-
Table.
car doesn't have have legs.
Oh, okay. Mm, table.
Yes, super good, Hadia. It's
Table. Table.
table. Oh, it's table. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. The next one is
Table.
nameless.
Table.
Nameless is extremely hot. Nameless is huge. Nameless is far from us. Nameless is a star.
Yes, sun.
Is it sun?
And
Yes, it is. Mistakenly, I shared the answer as well. Okay, yes, it is sun. You're right. Okay, now the last one. We'll answer the last one. Nameless has words. Nameless never speaks. This object has words. Yes, very good,
book.
Nasreen. Nameless has words, nameless never speaks. Nasreen has answered me in chat, it's correct. But I also want answer from other students, other kids.
Book. It's book.
Yes,
Book.
very good. It is book.
Yeah, book, okay. Book.
Book. It is book. Good. Super good. No voice. Why there is no voice? Am I audible to you people?
मिस पहले मुझे आवाज नहीं आई थी सो
अभी आवाज आ रही है आपको? Okay. So have you enjoyed this game?
yes ma'am.
Okay. Let's move forward. Okay. Morning routine. Will you tell me about your morning routine? What do you do in the morning? Who will share his or her morning routine?
May I?
For your help, I have shared the pictures as well. Yes, Hadia, sure. Hadi is a very active student of my class. You also, other students also want to participate. Please, you also have to participate. Yes, Hadia, share your morning routine.
I get up in the morning.
Hmm.
I break.
Okay, I take my
I
breakfast.
I play.
Just beta, just wait for your
I
turn.
I go to school.
Okay, that's very good. Okay.
May I? Up
Yes,
at
sure.
okay. a.m. and I do breakfast at 7 a.m. and I shower at uh, and I do shower at 7:15 a.m. and at I brush at 7:30 a.m. and I go to school at 8 a.m.
Okay, good. So you take your
May
shower,
I?
you do your brush. Very good. Yes, sure. Unmute yourself.
Okay. I get up in the morning, then I breakfast,
Hmm.
then I take shower, then I brush my teeth, then I go to school.
Okay, that's very good. Very well done. Okay. Now I have a song for you regarding daily routine. So you have to listen this song and you have to tell me that is this routine matches to your routine? Okay, so let's listen and enjoy.
In the morning, what do you do in the morning? In the morning, in the morning, what do you do?
I get up at 6:30. I must not be late. I eat breakfast and go to school. I'm at school by 8.
No voice. Beta, are you listening this song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, somebody is saying there is no voice. Please check your speakers.
Uh,
In the afternoon, what do you do in the afternoon? In the afternoon, in the afternoon, what do you do?
I have my lunch at 12 o'clock. I go to class at 1. I go to the playground after school to play and have fun.
In the evening, what do you do in the evening? In the evening, in the evening, what do you do?
I eat dinner at 6 o'clock, then it's homework time. I watch TV, I brush my teeth, and go to bed at 9.
So, do you have the same routine? I guess yes.
yes.
Yes, I guess yes, because most of the students they have the same routine, isn't it?
Yes, Yes. ma'am.
Okay, that's good. So, inshallah, in the next class, you will be asked in this course, I have to ask about your routine, and you have to tell me about your daily routine. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, who will tell me that should we respect our elders? Should we respect our elders and parents?
Yes.
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 Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Yes.
important to respect our elders and parents?
Yes, this is important.
Why it is
Respect
important?
our elders
Why it is important?
because because elders are need to um
Okay.
uh
Okay, I'm going to
government.
show you this video and then you have to comment on it. Okay. So watch
Okay.
and listen carefully.
Respect elders and all.
Hello, Nanny. How are you?
Pass me the ball. Pass me the ball. Oh ho, hope she doesn't smack me.
Don't you worry. Oh, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aishu.
I'm extremely sorry.
It's okay, dear. That was a good shot, though.
Thank you. Sorry once again, ma'am.
Very sweet.
Hey Aishu, I was expecting her to scream at us. Remember how Uncle was angry at me?
If you do good, good will come to you.
Oh, so throwing a ball on others is good, huh?
No, Arjun. Uncle greeted Nani pleasingly. He did not care to acknowledge. Instead, Nani rudely asked for the ball. Exactly. We must respect and show concern to others, especially elders.
Agreed. Now let's get back to play.
It's a good catch, Tommy.
Hey Tommy, how did you come here? Granny, Grandpa.
We came to watch you all play. Go and play. We shall watch from here.
Guys, cannot sit on the ground. Let's get them some chairs.
Yes, we have to be good and kind to elders.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Thank you, children. So sweet of you all. Time for some goodies?
Yeah! about it? Yummy.
So kids, have you enjoyed this video?
Yes.
Yes.
So have you seen that how these kids they were showing respect to their elders and how they were
Yes.
taking care of their elders? Hmm? So if you commit any mistake, what should you do? If something is done wrong by you, what should you do?
We should say sorry.
We should
Yes.
sorry to
Yes,
elders.
you should say sorry, not only to the elders, but to the youngers as well, or to your age fellows as well. If something is done wrong by you, you should say sorry. In this way, the like other people or the elders, they will be happy with you. Okay. So this was a lesson that was learned in this video. Over here, do you people love to uh, do you people love to listen stories?
Yes.
Okay. So at the end of the class, it is story time. We're just left with 3 minutes. So I want you to watch this story. Okay. So let's watch it and enjoy.
Little Fox.
Teddy's Day. Teddy is happy. Teddy is angry. Teddy is sad. Teddy is thirsty.
I want water.
Teddy is tired. Teddy is hungry. Teddy is sleepy.
Good night.
Sad, sadder, saddest. Timmy is sad. Aunt Tara is sadder. Mr. Tan is saddest. Mr. Tan needs a hug.
Okay, kids, we have to end our class over here because we are left with less than 1 minute. I hope that all of you have enjoyed this class, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I would request you to please share about this demo session with your family and your friends so maximum kids can be benefited from it. And the activities that will be included in this course will be the games, stories. There will be also a brief overview of tenses so you may know that which tense should be used in which situation, and extemporate topics will be given for speaking, picture description, dialogues, role plays will be given in this course, inshallah ta'ala. And the further details you can ask from the coordinators, or you can directly message me. So have a good day. Is there any question to ask?
Yes.
No.
Okay, this was the demo